is a D chord, okay? One of my favorite chords. I like D because, for many different reasons, you got some open strings, so you can. Here's your first position D. Now this can be played several different ways, and there's a reason for the different ways to play it. If you play it this way, you know, it tends to make it easy to go to a G and around like that. But if you play it this way, it also has advantages as well, because you can do pull-off. So there's two ways to form that particular D. You can go all the way up too, like this. I don't use that one too much because I generally like to have the strings, unless I'm doing a voicing. But I like, for the purposes today, I like this particular D because it rings out. And then you can play a bar D. That. Then you can also extend that like this. So you got your, in your 7th fret here, you're barring still these notes. But if you put your pinky up here, it sounds like that. And then you have your straight bar chord, which again I don't use a lot, especially in acoustic. I tend to use partials like this. Or even, you'll hear that a lot, especially in a folk music. And then of course we have the octave D up here, which I really like a lot, because it's this chord moved all the way up to the octave. It's kind of a cool thing if you hear it in practice. Bonus thing I'll show you on D is you can get harmonics. I hear that a lot with U2. So D is really a beautiful chord for moving up and down the neck. You can do partial chords, let this ring out, and just play on the 7th fret, play these two notes, play a D and a F sharp, and you can work it like, go again to that octave up here. So it's a fun chord to use, especially on the acoustic guitar, because you can get a lot out of it. There's a few ways to play the chord of D.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.